This is How to Minwax. We're going to show you how to use our design series wood effects to create a weathered, aged look in minutes.
This product reacts differently with every piece of wood for a unique look every time, so you should test the stain on a hidden spot to make sure you like the effect. The effect is strongest in wood species that are heavier in natural tannins, so we recommend using it on red or white oak for best results.
Here's what you need for this project. In addition to our design series wood effects, make sure you have medium to fine grit sandpaper, rubber gloves, purdy synthetic brushes or foam brushes, a drop cloth, and some stir sticks. You can also use a Minwax polyacrylic top coat if you want increased durability. Ready to start finishing? Let's do it. There are 3 simple steps to staining: prep, stain, and protect. So we're going to start, of course, with prep. Before sanding, make sure the wood is clean and dry. Then start with a medium grit sandpaper and increase grit as you go. You should finish with a 220 grit sandpaper. Then clean off all the sanding dust. When your wood feels smooth, it's time to stir your design series wood effects really well. Now you can apply in the direction of the grain. You'll see the wood changing within a few minutes, but we recommend letting it dry for 30 to 60 minutes. Next, if you want protection and durability without adding gloss, wait 1 hour and add Minwax polyacrylic protective finish in ultra flat. It's not required, but it will help maintain the rustic look over time. Apply a thin coat in the direction of the wood grain. Wait 2 hours to dry, then sand lightly with a 200 grit sandpaper. Remove the dust and repeat the top coat process 1 or 2 more times for optimal protection. So that's it. Simple process, designer results. Thanks for watching.